We know that, as in all emergencies, the most marginalized are also the most at risk.
I felt my phone buzz, and I looked down, and it was an email telling us that we had been laid off. I just sat there and cried for a second. It's been a frightening time, not knowing how I'm gonna pay the bills that keep my life running.
The coronavirus outbreak impacted the trans community because a lot of us, we are doing drag shows or bartenders or working in restaurants or engaging in survival sex works. This kind of presents a challenge for us to sustain and to kind of keep those wages up that we were making before.
Before the coronavirus outbreak, I was studying government and disability studies here at Georgetown University in Washington, D.C. But once we heard during spring break that we would have to move, I couldn't help but recall all the times that I was forced out of unsafe houses or kicked out.
I think about how these people are more at risk of contracting COVID-19, and they also could have some comorbidities that could make them possibly succumb to this virus. A lot of the times there isn't a lot of healthcare providers who are knowledgeable and providing competent and affirming healthcare to transgender and gender non-conforming people. A lot of times if you don't have a job that offers insurance, then you may not qualify for some of the insurance that is out there.
I'm HIV positive. The state pays for my health care, so I actually have a really great marketplace plan that's completely paid for. I worked for one of the biggest restaurant groups in New York City, and if they were closing, then I knew that soon after a lot of other people were going to close.
Many LGBTQ plus students are being displaced because of this. And whether they don't have a safe home to go to, or whether the home that they have, it's not accepting, we must show up and support those most in need.
This is a time for us to come together as a community. Reach out to your loved ones, check in on friends, and take care of yourself.
There has been a huge response from the greater trans community. I do see a lot of fundraisers, a lot of GoFundMes, a lot of us taking care of each other. And if this pandemic can show us anything, it can show us that when we work together, we can get so much done.
One day, we will be able to gather again together and dance and hug and just touch our friends. Until then, let's not let this disconnect us from each other.